Hello, I'm Pete and I'm course leader on the commercial photography courses that we run here at Coleg Gwent. We have several different commercial courses running here at Coleg Gwent. We have a 4-day wedding and portrait masterclass, we have a 2-day landscape photography course, we have several different evening courses including a beginner's course, an intermediate course and an Adobe photography software course. We also run a degree in photography and we have several different drone courses happening over the course of the summer as well. The Wedding and Portrait Masterclass includes 2 location shoots at stunning locations here in Wales. We attempt to mock a whole wedding day up, whereby we shoot in a church and we shoot at a reception venue. And for the portrait side of things, we use our amazing studio and we also shoot on location as well. You'll have the opportunity to photograph professional models on the course. The course will also offer you the opportunity to speed up your workflow via in-class sessions looking at Adobe Bridge, Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Lightroom. The course also incorporates the business side of things, whereby you'll get to make your own website. We'll teach you about search engine optimization so that your website is findable by Google. We'll also look at the business and marketing side of things, and we'll talk about promotion as well. We have fabulous facilities here at Coleg Gwent, including a professional studio with flash lighting and a highlight system, dedicated computer suites with Adobe software including Photoshop, Bridge and Lightroom, and amazing classroom facilities where learning happens at the highest level. By attending one of our courses in professional photography, you can expect your skill level to increase enormously, you can expect to gain amazing pictures for your portfolio, and you can expect to gain a confidence in gaining work and taking on work.